Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm here to share with you my journey. Yes, I have started and I will grow a clothing brand company. With my cousin, we meet the other day and we really decided we was really motivated to create our personal branding t-shirt, hoodies and a really complete clothing brand. And at the first thing I was just asking myself, okay, now what we need to get everything in place, what do we need to create the logo, what do we need to create the ideas, the style, print the t-shirt, ship the t-shirt, and do everything for this business model. So I will create a video series on this channel. This is episode 1, where I share the first step if you want to create your clothing brand, and also if you are curious and want to know more about this business model. And this series is not about creation, but it's about documentation. As Gary Vee said, that it's better. So I will do maybe weekly or monthly updates about the situation of the brand, what do we need to know, what we have done, maybe some tests, maybe I can show some products and other stuff. But the first thing that you need, the first thing that really it's important to create a clothing brand, it's to think at your audience. Okay, because you can create a clothing brand, but if you don't know an idea about your final audience, who wants to wear that piece of clothing, you will really find it difficult start. So we found that the audience is the first point that we should start, and it's about finding what type of people would wear our clothing, and what they do, how they think, and other stuff. Our idea was about people that wanna create a better life, people that wanna improve themselves. As me and my cousin, we go both to the gym to improve our body. I have a company. Now I have my YouTube channel. He started an online business, and we are pretty much on the same road and on the same way of thinking of life. Just try hard, get success, improve yourself, and other stuff. So we want to create a clothing brand that it's. It's for all these people that want to improve themselves. And doing this, we really enjoy the argument, we like it, and we really are passionate about this thing of improving. So we will find pretty much easy to go out and wear the brand, because if you show something that you're not passionate about, it will be really difficult for you sell something or just wear, because what happens, I have my lifestyle, my friends have his own lifestyle, and the goal with a brand clothing company is to match the brand of the t-shirt with your lifestyle. So as we will create on Instagram and on other photos and pictures on social media, we should pretty much create a lifestyle around improve yourself, go to the gym, work hard, get business, get also results, because results are part of the process, a little of luxury living and other stuff. So this will be our main idea that we want to communicate to our audience, because there is a lot of people like us, and we want to create something that really differentiate a person that want to improve himself from other average people that just live life and maybe go out and spending thousands of dollars every weekend spending on alcohol, and wake up the Monday morning really sad. We don't want this. We want that the people that wear our brand are really people that are not comfortable in the position that they are, and they want to go to the next level. But returning to the important part is about, as I said, the audience. Once you have your audience, you will create the name, you will create the logo, the design, the brand, and all the other stuff that you need to come into place. But first thing, if you want to create a brand for your personal clothing, just ask yourself, okay, what do you like, what do you enjoy? And also, depending if you are alone or if you are with a business partner, just make sure that the idea is the same and it's okay for both the people, because you cannot agree with one idea and the other people agree with another, because there will not be an agreement. There will be just two different ideas. So me and my cousin are really focused on this. We already chose the name, but I will not tell you yet the name. We pretty much chose our audience, and just thinking about at the age, at the interest, and it's pretty much similar people to us, and this will be really easy to market, because in the future we will go find people like us that we already know, and maybe we can give them free t-shirt or discount codes, or maybe promotion, or ask the person to come with us for a shooting, maybe some location for the branding on Instagram and other stuff. But the first thing to do is this: create an idea of your audience, so then you can create everything that comes behind. So this was everything for the first episode. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel to see the next episodes. See you in the next video.